Hello, my name is Ginette Milena Canchon, 531859222. Um, Today I will present the importance of well-being in academic in the work environment, focusing on nutrition, physical activity, and mental health. Well-being is connected to every process in life, as sense environment, good relationship, stress control, increase motivation in productivity, in organization y academic setting. Nutrition, physical activity. Physical activity is so important. Running, swimming, or going to the gym help reduce stress and keep our body strong. Mm, Exercise improves energy and productivity overall. So, nutrition is essential. Eating fruit, vegetables, proteins in grain, keep us nourishing concentration. On the other hand, fast food and sugar reduce performance and health. Mental well-being and productivity. Um, Mental health is part of well-being. Sleeping well, um, keeping a positivity mindset, and balancing of work and study are necessary for long-term productivity. My experience, Sunday I okay late and everything then okay. After stress, I keep prepared, I lose focus. But when I okay apparently, it a healthy prepared organism tank, and the feel calm and productivity in this our how small habit can change my well-being in the performance.